Sorry. Very good morning, everyone. Welcome back to this module number 3, Operation and Control of Integrated Power Systems. And the session today is session number 10, and I will be talking about auxiliary services and grid code. Again, my name is Francisco Gonzalez-Longatt. I am the leader of DHNC's lab, and I have affiliation with Loughborough University at the United Kingdom, and also at the University of Southeastern Norway. And well, let's start this presentation. And what is the general overview for today? Well, we will start talking about frequency variations, and then discuss some aspects related with the grid code. Regarding the grid code, as you must be aware, is something that is country dependent. That means depending of the country that you are located, usually the grid code used to be very different between countries. So I don't have time to cover a general overview of all grid codes around the world. So I will be focusing on the main information related to the United States, Great Britain, and some part of Europe. Then I will present some information about real life events in the case of Europe and Great Britain. And finally, I will discuss about frequency reserve. Frequency reserve is, again, something that depends between countries. I will try to present the general concept, the general overview, and from there I will discuss one of the most exciting frequency reserves around the world. Sorry for telling you that, but that is here in the Great Britain.